Fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Ooh. Gotcha. This is what Brian caught this morning. Brian went crazy this morning. Got a few fish. Because we wanted lunch, we kept those smaller jacks and stuff like that. Hey guys, so it looks like roasted lunch before we move to the next spot. Brian's packing up to bring stuff to the car. Fish on? Oh shit, Brian got fish on. Bang bang. Big up yourself, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome yourself, guys. Sorry to be making this intro this way, guys. As you know, I'm just getting over the flu. Kicked my butt. That's what's up, guys. Big up yourselves. Welcome always, guys. Thank you, guys. On our way to 4K. Bless up yourself, guys. Almost there. That's it. We've been doing this for a while now, so bless up yourself and thank all you guys for all the support you guys have given us. And thank you guys for even watching the video, guys. I appreciate you guys 100%. Alright, so I'm gonna stop down here. Me and Clark Legacy 876 is linking up, as you know, is Brian, and we're linking up in a bit, guys. And I gotta stop on the road down here and wait on him. So I'm gonna stop at one of my other fishing spots, see if I can pick something up there, or snook or something. Most likely it's that jack, or maybe even a mangrove snapper or something like that. So let's see what's up. Let's see what we can pick up down there. All right, guys. So stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. One love. People have it up a gas station and get coffee this morning.
I forgot refill my coffee. No, I don't function without the coffee.
Because I was feeling the same way to bring my thermos this morning. I didn't, so I might as well just grab another cup now. Stopped on trip for coffee. Wow. Coffee trip. That's what's up, guys. So stay tuned. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Me and Clark Legacy 876 is here, guys. Stay tuned. We outside.
Yeah.
Guys, so big up Big Boss Lady T. Me and Clark Legacy's yelling her up.
Big Boss Lady T. But tell her that she need to come back so we finish behind.
Yeah. We got to do another adventure with Big Boss Lady T. Last time, me and Clark Legacy did an adventure with her, guys, and we pushed out and we caught some fish, got hook in hand and all kinds of excitement that day. That was crazy. So, shooting these spots, guys. So, me and Brian's trying not to pass the good spots that we fish normally. So, I'm gonna walk around and give Brian a little bit of room because he got good casting distance, guys. So, I'm gonna give him a little bit of room, head out on this reef. I'm gonna get wet now, obviously. Yeah, boy, here comes that wave. Just wait till he goes, clear up so you can watch your step. Don't fall in a very deep hole and all your electronics get knocked up. So, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Jamaican. Whoop! See, there you go again. You know, it's alright. Yeah, we didn't want to do it, but it's gonna happen. Eh? What that? Seasoning? Yeah, in my bag. Oh? He's asking me if I got seasoning to cook, guys. You know what I'm saying? Do I have seasoning to cook? Come on, Brian. You know me better than that already. It's Jerry, man. Come out here, bro. Out here, bro. Nice. Oh, shit. Almost fell. Wow. Not good. Yeah, we're gonna work our way back to the car. Because in case if school comes late, in case the kids are late for the school are late for the kids. Not yet. Not yet. I just got hit by a jackfish just now. Jackfish. Small jackfish just hit it a while ago. But that's about it for this type of fishing. Remember, I do artificial. I do lure fishing. So I'm actually looking for a barracuda, but he's not answering the doorbell. So let's see what's up. I'll go down the line and yeah. Next spot, me and Brian stop. This is where I got that hookup last week, and he got away from me over there. And I'm coming back down here again to aim for that spot and to see if I can get down there and grab onto that fish again. I lost my yellow chartreuse lure here last week, guys. I was not happy about that at all, but I was sick. I had the flu. Brian's here with me, Clark Legacy 876. He's on his way down, and we're going to another spot to drop line fish, but we decided we were going to stop at these spots. We couldn't pass them up to go to the next spot while we still had early time. Made no sense, because here are serious hookup spots for yellowtail, lizard fish, barracudas, snappers, and all kinds of stuff. So apart from the treacherous rocks, it's a very good deep spot that we can get some good casts on, that has structure that fish will actually grab on. I got a wicked hookup over here last week. It got away, broke my line. I had a chafe line. I gotta check this line now to make sure I don't have any chafe in it. You know what, guys, before I even go any further, I'll take some line off of here and fix this real quick. So I think I seen a chafe in my line a while ago too, and I'll cut this off right now and retie it to make sure I don't have the same issue like I had last week. Let me put this down for a second. So get it off of there. Get my lure on here back. I've just seen a chafe in the line, so make sure the same occurrence don't happen twice. Good tie, and we out. Alright. Chipped off those that chafe line a while ago, got rid of it, and retied back up. So, oh darn it. Let's see if we can get that hook up back again, guys. Had that something, barra, yellowtail, or something hit it last week. Let's get back out there and run that spoon lure from down there and see if we can get that hook up back again, guys. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Alright, let's switch this lure up. Go back with our yellow. And I'm getting wet. Not good. Fish on, Brian. Got fish on, guys. Oh shit. What you got, bro? Lizard fish. Ha ha. First one. Brian, I knew you would have hooked one. Yeah, save it. Brian got lizard fish, guys. That's what's up. I knew you would have hooked one. A yellow chartreuse. Which cliff? On that side? Nah, sir. I'll be a hitch up. Fort Charlotte. Nah, sir, depends on where you cast. Up to you still, bro. No, sir, we're close to the carrier, sir. Eh? Yeah, man, come in. I'm not mess. I'm not no sense. Water get rough, yes, upon me. How are you doing with the fish? Oh. You sure I want me to catch a bar and jack? We can't set up round us, I know. But now if we go no far distance and we in a shade, you understand? Alright guys, shore fishing here. Me and Brian's going down the line, guys. That's a wrap, that's what's up. I gotta wash my car. It's not even a joke. That's what's up. That's right. Guys, we're at the next spot. Morning, morning. We're at the next spot. Brian went around that way. I'm gonna go around there with him in a second, guys, but cast right here real quick, see what I can pick up. See if I'm possibly get a jack or something. Yeah, we're gonna roll around with Brian, guys. We're gonna go around that side. Come on. We'll cut ahead, Brian. Go around the other side. Go and cut through the fort. Brian went that way. We're gonna go this way. Okay, there's a little part of the fort that I go to back here, guys. Get around to this side. There's that hole. I gotta crawl to it. Which it sucks. Oh God. Oh man. What we go through for fishing. Ah, shit poured around here already. Oh, go on, bro. Dress up yourself. Alright man, I'm not going for your way. Someone want cast here. Good man. You don't go so close, man. Good enough further, man. No man, someone want cast another clearly. I borrow me always pick up round here. Yeah. So I'm gonna drop over there, so look. Right there, so. Yeah. I'm gonna just run it back. Watch. See? Something that chase you already, you know? Look here. Look here. Look there, you see them? Yeah. Yeah? That's the kind of fishing I'm doing, but it's lure fishing, artificial. So some barra always hang out around here. Right, come on along here. Look my size, look my size, look my size. Look here. Climb down, look a bit here, look a room, brother. I can't cast and I get in your way, you know?
Yeah. One rod off.
No man, I have a whole heap of rod with me. Right, so one barra just like you look while I'm missing, you know? Okay. I have a fishing channel on YouTube called Jamaican Shore Fishing.
I never see it one.
Yeah? I do a lot of fishing. No man, I have to watch behind me, you know, bro.
You know man, but now tell us and I watch myself too.
Okay.
You know what I want?
Nothing here yet. Change off the lure, you know. A shrimp here I use. Car, we freeze one Pepsi bottles in and put in the fridge and carry with you in your bag for that. Let's freeze the Pepsi bottle with ice. Not yet, me so long jar run it on, but not much.
Yeah, I want long jar chase.
Spoon lure?
Yeah.
I want barrel lick after it round here, so but him small. But a pound, pound and a half.
That Chinese store.
Oh. What's good is, Brian?
Don't ever know what just happened to me.
What? Oh, the camera.
Camera drop off from my head
and nearly drop in the water.
No, wheel down the side drop. Yeah, wheel down the side. This is why. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, man.
Need one of these rod, man. Can you give me an old
Hold
one?
on, let me give you a weight. Get rid of that nail. Take off that nail. I'm gonna show you how to tie your rig real quick. I'm gonna set up your line for you. Come on. Let me get you set up.
This one of the fishing channel.
Yeah. Where's the fishing channel, man?
Jamaican shore fishing. Two fishing channel. Clark Legacy 876. Take off this nail. This is not tied right. Get rid of that. Take this off completely. Cut that off. I had some hooks just now.
Clark's Legacy 876.
Jamaican shore fishing.
Clark's Legacy 876.
I didn't see them watch at 8 times.
How do you watch?
No,
I
sir.
don't know.
Probably.
I don't know. Probably.
One black nigga, I see.
No, I want you to have 5 fish on.
Yeah, I seaside.
Yeah.
Hold this. I bring this line back on the back of the hook like this. I pinch it with this
Yeah,
hand.
man, we watch all of them.
Then I take it like this and go 1,
Watch all of them too, man.
2, 3, right?
Yeah.
Then I pinch up here so it can't come loose and go
All
1,
the while
2,
going
3,
across,
4,
they hold
5,
the
6,
and lose all
right?
them gear.
Push this back through the loop. Watch me, Maji.
Yeah, my father, man.
Push it back through the loop. Hold tension on it. Pinch up here so. Pull up here so. Look. Watch what happens. Becomes a snell knot. See that?
Yeah.
So when you go like this now, wet this, push it back through the same hole, clear this out of the way like this, push it back through the same hole. So now you have a double contact line instead of one single. Over your finger, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Line, me have leader line like whoa, Brian. Come on, man. I got hooks here. There's a little box of hooks right here. Sinkers are right here too. Yeah. So when you send out that, the line hang off of the main line.
Yeah.
So the fish will grab that and the weight out there dot and the line are up off the ground.
Really, man.
You know what? So when you go and send out that, you're supposed to get whole heap more distance from it. Alright?
Alright,
Cool. Yeah. Yeah, that's it guys. Each one teach one, right? That's what's up. So it's bait up on the send out, bro.
Yeah, that's not gonna do that.
Oh damn, Brian, stop it. Damn it, Brian. Oh shoot, Porry, that's a what they call them fish again? Ras. Yeah, ras, but they have one name feet, man. No, sir.
No, they say children go down in Iraq.
Yeah, nobody.
Put him out then go just go down in Iraq and tie up your thing.
Yeah, but that's it. I know they are on the boat and then we use a lot bait.
Where that?
But why we do use the boat as
You float him, okay.
Yeah.
You can float him, man, but if you put him out as a so,
No man, I trade the rock stone.
straight in a rock bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all look how toughy we are using, you know?
You can get bait if you want to, you know, because whole heap me have,
Yeah.
I don't plan to kill them because I don't want them spoil. So I say one lizard fish, I will catch for you, you know.
Can't be that way, bro.
I won't tell them, say I want lizard fish.
Should have kept him so we could have roasted his ass. Yeah, true. Yo, last week we let go 3 of them. Put that white lure in it and see what I get out of it. Alright guys, so
It broke, I just
yeah.
put a different one.
Herman monstered it. Brian almost lost his camera down here a while ago, guys. Scared the shit out of Brian a while ago. I think Brian caught a titty fit from that one. Yo, Harvey lost his GoPro in Black River. You couldn't recover that. Could never find out without the current that the river moves. So you mad? They say you want to move?
No, man, I don't move. I walk.
Okay. The reason why I'm using a big hook is because I know if something grab one of these bait, it's not going to be small. You see on this now? You know what this is for, right? It's when you put on your line. If your line set too tight and you can't pull it, you'll lose your rod. Me dive off and jump off a cliff already for my fishing rod and I'll swim after it. You fucked. Fish that take with the blood clean 10-foot rod, man. One yellow one on me have, man. Yeah, Brian's walking, guys. So we're here at Fort Charlotte, Hanover, guys, fishing, dropping some line. We're doing lure fishing and drop line at the same time. Planning a little cook up if we catch anything. So Brian went that way. He's down there. I got one of my other boys down there fishing from Mobay side. So we all outside, guys. So stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We outside. And I do a lot of different artificial lure fishing. Like this now, catch like you get you out. Eh? You pop off?
Yeah.
Looking at pan, man, you see one more, so hook up on top of it. You can try tie it for yourself now. The hook them there now and look back right there, man. You see it on top of something right at your foot. Right there, so yeah. And then the weight them now white something in the bottom. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. I say camera always a run, man. Yeah, big up yourself, guys.
Jiggity!
Yeah. Guys on the channel, guys. They said they want to get in it. So you got the man Bridget. You see it? Yeah. Outside. That's what's up. I know tonight still, most likely tomorrow. So we got a line set. I'm waiting on Brian to get back. Brian went down that way. He got his line set. I pulled his line up because there's nothing on it. So I set my line, got my spoon lure out. Watch your butt, brother. Send it over there. So get over here with this. Make sure I don't get caught in Brian's line. That wind comes over here. Brian almost dropped his camera off of here earlier. I don't want to do that either. Long jaw chasing. Brian's line. What's that? Nah, not yet. Not yet. I know that. Yeah. Yeah, man, big up yourself, bro. Yeah, man, we'll see each other. Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, S-U-R-E for sure. Shore fishing, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Brian got breakfast. I ain't caught nothing yet today. And I don't say catch him?
Yes, right round it, right round. I mean,
Watch my line, watch my line.
Right round the little cove where we always stop and turn back.
Yeah.
Go right round it.
Chano.
I understand on it. Then, yo. Let me show you.
One big one on there?
A few big one down there. Let me show you sitting. Watch out.
Jaja.
Me, I really mean that the bar of Papa cut off in tail, you know. One bigger one than this one.
Jaja.
But you know to bust him. I left him in the thing come back to him, but he ain't come back.
Here, guys.
Lunch.
Bro, those on the lures you caught those?
Yeah, man.
Brian's hitting today, guys. Look.
Lunch.
Oh shit. We got lunch,
light
guys.
Up the fire, light up the
Alright, let
fire.
me go get the stuff for the fire, guys. We're gonna season up some fish and just chill.
Yeah, man. This.
Alright, guys, we've been out here a minute. We're famished and got some crackers and some seasoning. And fire's right there, bro. Brian went and got the fish cleaned up so we can get them cooked up. So we got ourselves a makeshift fire.
Get baptized, so.
Got a makeshift fire.
Jerry, I forgot to do the cooking here now.
And then we got Brian over here.
Do Only catching.
when we do the catching and the cleaning, and we do the cooking. I ain't catch no fish today, guys.
Jerry, I go cooking on me just
I'm not catch no fish
I
today.
pretty them up film so you can put on in season.
I'm not catch no fish yet. Yet.
We can still move, you know. We can still go around our corner back.
Yeah. Let's pack up the drop line gears.
So nice. We can carry on, well, we can carry on one hook and some bait. Some fairly nice fish on.
Yeah. So fire's blazing up good now, guys.
Yeah, fire.
Just want that grill to heat up a bit. And fire there, so we'll see my easy. But my plate cricket. Yeah. So Brian caught us breakfast this morning. Yo, guys. Yo, I'm not worried about it. Even if I don't catch something, Brian's gonna catch something. We're still gonna get something to eat. So that's what's up. Feeling a little bit better from the last video I did here with my brother Richie. Big up yourself, Richie. Outside. Man, Brian is here. Same way Clark Legacy 876, guys. And we're just here getting ready to make some food. The battery on this camera is low. I'm probably gonna have to switch over to the next camera in case anything. But, we're there, guys, and like we said, we're gonna do a little bit of cook up. And this is what Brian caught this morning. Brian went crazy this morning. Got a few fish because we wanted lunch. We kept those smaller jacks and stuff like that, and we normally would put those back. But made a makeshift grill. Got fire with coal, and nothing really planned today, guys. But we got this thing heating up, so I'm waiting for those grill to heat up a little bit, burn off whatever's on them, and then we go like this and put the fish on.
Yeah, man, Barra cut off my fish tail, man.
Yeah, Barra got
one bigger than this.
Cut that fish in half. This is what Barra do when you're pulling in fish, guys. That's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. We are outside. Stay tuned. Brian, we might have to figure out another grill. Another way to make another grill. Because I don't like these iron there's some plastic panel when now come off. Yeah, guys, we actually found the grill, burned it off, and just made a makeshift grill so we can roast these fish for lunch. My battery on this camera is dead. I'm gonna switch up cameras a bit. Yeah. So I'm gonna flip these fish now, guys. Let's see what's up. Oh damn, guys. Got stuck to the grill. Get my knife in there. Get him up. Oh shit, peeled the skin off. A lot of heat in this bitch. Oh my god, guys. Oh, look at that.
Switch him around, man. Switch him to the other side. Put the one there over there and switch him over on the part and fire.
Oh, him?
The Barra, I say Barra cook quick, you know.
Come on, bro. I'm trying not to make none of these drop between the grill. Smoking these bad boys. Yeah. Just slip that, guys. Yeah, that's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Just like that, guys. Hey, guys. That's what it looks like. Roasting lunch before we move to the next spot. Brian's packing up to bring stuff to the car. So we're here roasting some fish. I'm waiting on Brian to get back. He'll be back in a second. Just grilling some fish on this grill. Making some lunch before we move on to the next spot. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. What's up yourself, guys?
The one with the Barra. The one where Barra cut off.
So let's start partaking of some other food, you know. We got crackers.
I don't crackers now.
No, we crackers. Yeah?
Yeah,
Why?
gluten.
Fish and crackers, guys.
More for you.
Jackfish, yeah.
Eat the Barra, eat all them. Yo, you see our restaurant? The one now, the Jack. I'm going to cook him too, you know? I'm going to cook him, and I really mean. One long jaw, the size of that.
Grab him.
I'm fat, you know. I don't know where he come from, and grab him. I don't know how he not take off it. Anyway, we're gonna eat and
Fish hot your fart.
in our field.
Yo guys, that is it. Hot roast fish straight off high water. Straight in my mouth.
Sweet, bitter taste at the same time. I would, you know.
Mm-hmm. I stick what we use. I correct your statement.
I would.
Well, guys.
Stick you use like fire. Would you cook fun?
Yeah, man. I hate these people's roast fish fresh off my fire.
Fresh out of water.
Fresh out of water. Damn, I'm gonna have to put this down for a second. Too hot.
Something snappy. Can't buy some younger today.
Nope. And you want to go the other direction.
Where?
Hope we'll cook these. Hell no, we already sitting right here ready. Fish already seasoned up.
Probably wouldn't get as much of time.
Fire lit.
Yeah, it's time to work, man. Some fresh meat. The only thing we have missed right now. Only thing we have missed is shade. Shade.
That not really matters though.
Man, you have my foot a bun up.
Oh, all my leg protection's on. So sorry about that.
Put them a bun, man.
Hey guys, if you're gonna be out here all day, make sure you wear leg protection. Don't come out in shorts like Brian did. He's paying for that now. Eating fresh fish on a bun up. Yeah, guys.
Never even need no seasoning, but some of the funny.
Season up with your fat. Yeah, man. You guys. Oh shit! I just dropped my knife in the fire. Feed back the fish. The fish.
Oh.
What?
Drop.
Yeah, guys. Oh shit! This went and clipped right on here. Clipped right in it.
Little, but they don't work. See it? Sister bun.
I'm taking him up. Now take him up and put him up there. Come on, split. Hot barra, fresh off the rock stone. Find your crackers. Hot barra, fresh pan crackers, wheat crackers and barra. Yeah, man.
Well, I know about the wheat crackers and barra, I know about the barra. Fish! I go down the line when we're done. See if we can get some more. Birthday come up and we need fish. And
Fish done. Done match up the crime already. Grab the rest of my gears. Me and Brian's gonna head down the line that way and see if we can pick some more stuff up. I ain't catch nothing yet this morning, guys, so it's my turn. Where? Oh, wait, while I drop off. Alright, cool now. Barra belt you up today, one for the new year. Here, guys. So, Brian bingo today. That's what's up. Catch and cook. Okay. Thanks, bro. Bro. Yeah. Yeah, Gio, man. That was last month. Yo, me hear him say, boom, booklet. He said, look around. I was like, damn, bro.
Jerry, so I say happy there. It's a good thing my name got called. I mean that.
No, but you're not. You know better. Gio knows better. Geo, alright, me left Geo Pike blood cliff can up, that's how we just left for and roast the fish. And by the time I done, you say, ask me for 2 hook, I'm saying, Geo, when you ready, come for your hook. By the time I go some here, bop! I was like, oh shit. Yeah? We have to push it, one of them through and cut off the tip and cut his skin for one the other one. A 3 hook hook him. No spoon lower dogs. No spoon lower. Spoon lower with the number 2 hook on him, man. Fuck, man. I was like, damn, that shit hurt because I know the 2 ounce come with weight, you know, bro. Yeah, this is definitely worth it. Bro, we'll see if we can pick up 2 more barra. You hear me? I hunt, we are growing the back and hunt. You see it? Yeah, guys, red stripe bear to wash that fish down. We got a bear a while ago. Red stripe time. Cheers, bro.
First catch and cook for you.
Catch and cook for the year. Me and Brian. Guys, we're having fun doing this stuff. This is what's up.
Yeah, man, for fun.
Told you guys a banger was coming.
For fun.
We're having fun doing this. This is not work. This is fun. So if you don't enjoy this, yeah, let's go around because I think we're gonna be casting in vain right here. At least here it's so bushy like last time. Oh. Like damn, bro. Oh damn. Oh shit. You alright? That's why I'm gonna like wear Crocs. Ah damn. Woo. So they build the rock stone if it prevent it from undermine that. Oh. Fish on? Oh shit, Brian got fish on. Barra? Oh shit. Brian got a jack, guys. Oh shit. Brian got a jack. That's what's up. Fish on?
Outside.
Outside, Jack? Bad boys out there then. Let me get out there. Huh? Jack, I chase it look a while to him. Wanna chase him look a while, man. Alright, I'll come round with you.
Come out from the area and look and go in.
Oh, that lizard fish. That look an open spot? Yeah, guys, we're gonna go around now. We'll walk the plank. Fudge bucket. Don't want to get wet, but I just got the shit stuck out of me with rock a while ago. Just got the shit scratch out of me a while ago. Hey, you just dropped that silicone? Hmm? Ooh! Eh? What? Oh, I'm Barra just grabbed my line look while. That's tell me about octopus, bro. I want to grab one Barra just grab my line look while, Brian. Nice Barra too, you know. Brian's on a roll today, guys. I just got hit by a Barra and he got away. Damn it. How big is he? Let me see it. Nice size. Yeah? I can't get you out. That's a nice size. Yeah. Brian got himself an octopusy. You got an octopusy? Barra just hit my line a while ago, bro. Ooh. Dog teeth snapper chasing. Look at that. Right where? Piece of octopus you fuse. Brian, looking at that hole, yeah. No, looking at that hole here. Right here, so. Octopus house. Not getting any results. Yazuri. Work this going all the way around, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. Never a dull moment with us, guys. Always on the move. Always on our fishing game. That's what's up. Keeping it moving, guys. Nothing. I hit a barrow a while ago, guys, and he got away. Either it was a barrow or a long jaw, one of them, but that was one of those aggressive friggers. We just walk in this cove to see what we can pick up in here. Brian said he walked this out before. Possibility that I can still catch something here. I got chased by a snapper. Holy smokes. This is rough to walk on, guys. Not easy. Just got to find your footing each time. Send that lure out. Ooh, I got hit by long jaw a while ago, but he missed. Sucker. Ooh, something's chasing something right there. Alright, working this cove, guys. Trying to pick something up. Ooh, fudge bucket. Fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Ooh, 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 ooh. Gotcha. Brad! Fish on! Gotcha. Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up. Got this bad boy today, guys. I knew he was out there. Gotcha. That is it, guys. Barra down for the new year. That's what's up. I knew I was gonna hit today. It was just a matter of time. Terrible. And that's what's up. Big up yourself, guys. You got hooked good. Yeah, you wasn't gonna go nowhere, buddy. Damn. There goes Jamaican shore fishing. That's what's up. Barracuda. There you go, guys. Whoop whoop. I'll continue going around till I hit further down, see if I can pick another one up. Yeah, he hit that hard. Aggressive little bugger. So, go further down here. Shoot down real quick. See if we can grab something else. Alright. Stopped at the cliff top real quick, try out my spoon lure. Damn, didn't grab it. Didn't grab it. Out there. Yeah, Brian left my ass. Take my ass up and around. He's like, yo, I want to leave, and Jerry's hitching up. Or whatever the case might be. I have no idea what spot number this is right now. Brian's over there. And Talk Legacy 876, guys. Just remember, please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. Make it shore fishing. Alright, out here. Brian hit a few barrel over here before. I hit on that side, but never on this side. Fish on, fish on. Long jaw. Long jaw. Long jaw on. Small long jaw. He's small though. Throw him back. Yeah. Yo. Fuck you, don't. Fish on. Ooh, fish on, guys. Fish on. Fish on, guys. Ooh, fish on. Gotcha. Hey, hey. Fish on, guys. Woo. Yeah. Yeah, guys. Jamaica shore fishing. Woo-hoo-wee. Big jack. Big jack. Ha-ha. Shore fishing. That's what's up, guys. Big jack, guys. Get you. That's what's up. Got you. Booger you. Action packed today, guys. Yeah, these jacks are a little bit feisty. You gotta be careful with that hook. That's how I got hooked last time. Jack. Get him off of there. Quick as possible. And get him hooked up. There you go. Haha. Here, shore fishing. 2-pounder. Jamaican shore fishing. This is what it's all about, guys. Bless up yourself. Thank you for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Alright, over here. That is it. Dang dang. Yeah, we're running low on percentage on battery too on this. Alright, let's see if we can pick one more up. One down. See if we can pick some more up, guys. Jamaican shore fishing. That's it. That's it for our day. Clark Legacy 876 Jamaican shore fishing is out at it. First time for the New Year's, guys. We push out catching cook vibes. It was real excellent. Loved it. Me and Brian had a great time.
Yeah, man.
It was fun. And that's what we miss about our fishing, guys. More fun than more videoing. But the video is just an extra part of it. And this is something that we do naturally anyways. But stay tuned, guys, for the next adventure. Me and Brian's planning something big.
We are planning some epic adventure. Them that go epic.
Yeah, real epic adventure.
It's not just regular fun where we are.
A regular normal thing, this, guys. So stay tuned, guys. We're pushing out soon. Today was a good day. Started off slow for me at first, and then I picked up that jack, which kind of tricked me. Stay tuned for that footage.
Of course, all the fish when I catch get eaten, so.
Yeah. All the fish that Brian
catch fish, but I don't carry home many.
Oh damn.
Which is not a problem, so.
That's what I said, man.
So there's a days for that.
Yeah. So guys, we outside, guys, and doing our thing. Jamaican shore fishing.
So we'll have to do it in our sun.
Yeah.
Because I enjoy it a little bit better if it was.
And we've been out since what, 6:30, 5 o'clock this morning?
Yes,
and then now it's like going on 1:46 in the evening. Almost 2 o'clock in the evening. So I got to get home, get myself ready for the week. So big up yourself and thank all you guys for joining Jamaican shore fishing. Appreciate you guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Remember, jump up the Clark Legacy channel. Please like, share, and subscribe, guys. And he's trying to get to his 1K for sure. Alright? So big up yourselves. And we're going to end this video with a cold red stripe. The bigger, bolder beer.